Hello guys, it's Miss Claire from Shenzhen HR Tenda. Today I would like to introduce our hot selling RF acrylic model system because it allows me the synchronization for this one. I would like to introduce our shootable large square tag for this system. For this one, it has a different application. At first, we could use it together with the pins to protect our clothes. Second, we could use this lanyard together to protect our bags. I will show how to use it, like this. And then plug into this hole. Now, very tight. I will show the rigid detection. For this large square tag, currently we have stock and could offer you a special stock price. For acrylic antenna, we could offer free logo customization. Also, we could customize different security solutions according to your needs. So, if you have any interest, welcome to call me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.